Alrighty folks, here we are at Thunder Valley CB shop. We just tuned a couple antennas for this gentleman. Look at this truck. It is beautiful. Wait till y'all see the inside. Looky there. Folks, this is a nice truck. He did a hell of a job on it. Look at that. You got them antennas all tuned up. Alright guys, this is Mike, this is the owner, this is the man.
Okay. It's a company truck.
Company truck?
Company truck.
Wow.
But it's mine. He built it for me, so it's kind of badass. It's cool. Appreciate the work.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We'll talk to you later, alright? Thank you all for watching. God bless.